Are you aware that there's hidden settings in the Windows that quietly collects your personal information in the background? Most people don't realize how much data is being gathered without their knowledge. This setting is called telemetry, or as Microsoft calls it, diagnostic data. On the surface, it seems helpful, but in reality, it goes far beyond simple error reporting. Microsoft says telemetry helps fix bugs and improve performance, but it actually collects a lot more, like your system details, installed apps, usage patterns, and hardware information. While they claim the data is anonymized, breaches can happen anytime. And honestly, your personal activity should remain yours. Apart from privacy concerns, telemetry also uses your internet bandwidth and system resources in the background. The exact amount of data collected is unclear, as Microsoft doesn't share a full list, which is concerning. Independent tests suggest it can be quite extensive. If you care about privacy and performance, it's a good idea to turn it off. Don't worry, here's a simple step by step way to do it. First, open Settings. From the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Diagnostics and Feedback. At the top, you will find Diagnostic Data. It says, helps improve Windows and keep it secure, up to date and working as expected. Click the drop down to see more details. Microsoft mentions a limited set of data, but doesn't explain exactly what that includes. To reduce data sharing, turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. As you can see, I already turned it off. Disable Improve Linking and Typing. Disable View Diagnostic Data. If you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11 Pro, you can take it further. So go to Windows Search. Search for Group Policy and open Edit Group Policy. Now go to Computer Configuration. Then go to Administrative Templates. On the right, double-click Windows Components. Now look for Data Collection and Preview Builds. Double-click on it. Now find Allow Diagnostic Data. And in Windows 10, find Allow Telemetry Data. Now double-click on it. Select Disabled. Now click Apply and then click on OK. Now Microsoft won't collect diagnostic data from your system. If you want to take your Windows privacy to the next level, there's a powerful but completely free tool that can help you do it in just a few clicks. It's called WinToys. Click on the Windows search and type WinToys. If you don't have it yet, no worries. Simply head over to the Microsoft Store, search for WinToys and hit download. It's light, safe and installs in seconds. Once the app opens, you will see a clean interface with several categories like desktop, start menu, file explorer, tweaks and more. Now click on tweaks. Now click on privacy. And here's where the magic happens. Now you will find a powerful set of privacy switches that give you full control over what Windows is allowed to track in the background. No coding, no scripts, just simple toggles. Some of the most important privacy settings you should look at are telemetry. Turn this off to stop Microsoft from silently collecting diagnostic data in the background. Clipboard history. It prevents your copied data from being stored unnecessarily. Mouse acceleration. Disabling this gives you more precise and consistent cursor movement, which is especially useful for gamers and power users. Simply turn off the toggles for the features you want to disable. Note: always enable the user choice protection driver because it stops unwanted apps from changing your default browser, search engine, or file settings without permission. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you can protect your privacy, free up system resources, and make your Windows PC more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.